Guys, welcome back. I'm updating my son's nursery and I thought I would take you along for the quick little makeover. As you can see, the crib is over here by the window, which is, I thought it was a pretty nice place for it, but I just want to see my other options, and someone actually suggested in the comments, and I was like, I would try it out. This is what it looked like before. Check out this makeover video if you haven't already seen it. I already moved the changing table before I said, okay, let me grab my camera and actually show you guys this little change. This is where the changing table was initially. Moved it to this corner. Excuse the lighting because this was kind of like a quick little video. But I need to tidy up this area as well as hang up this cabinet right here. So let's just get into that. I'm wanting to play around with the spacing in this room, as well as taking some advice from someone in the comments in my previous makeover, like nursery makeover video. So really, I'm going to be using this medicine cabinet looking thing, which funny enough came from a vanity that I purchased for myself, but it was comically too small, guys. It was like, it looked like a child's like play area. So I'm going to be repurposing it. I'm going to be drilling some holes, 5 holes in the back of this mirror, like let's call it a medicine cabinet. And then I'm going to be using like the supports and the very long screws, like those studs and everything, to hang it up. Another really important reason for this change is my son is able to get all the things from under the changing table multiple times a day and just like throw it all around the house in the room. And I can't do this anymore. Like, I can't keep cleaning this stuff up. So this is a good way for those things to be out of reach and just save me like my sanity. So although it was pretty tough to hang that thing up, I was able to, and it looks pretty level. I'm gonna check, and it actually is level. So proud of myself. I'm truly confused. If you know how many times I moved this dresser back and forth, it's crazy. I ended up just putting it by the front door. I felt like that was the most functional place for me. Let me know in the comments below where you think the best place for that would be. Whenever I actually have time to reset his room, I pretty much clean out both of his diaper pails. One of them is for the cloth diapers and the larger one is for the regular diapers. And then I just kind of Lysol down everything, wipe everything down. And then I use the Enviroscent, like the non-toxic air fresheners in here. And they're very strong and they just really lighten up the room. So let me know what you use in your child's room, especially if you have a diaper pail, to kind of freshen it up. This is officially the makeover 2.0, the amended version. I really like this layout. It feels more spacious in my opinion, or maybe it's just something new. So this is what it was before, crib in the corner. I like it either way, honestly, but the second way, like the latest way, I like it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, if you like before, which is this, or the after. I'm interested to hear your thoughts.